baby steps here, and what you're looking at right now is a drawing of Trinity from the Matrix I did in 2017. At the time, I thought this was the best thing since sliced bread. It looked so awesome. But now, looking at it, yikes, I feel like puking. It's so terrible. And so, I had to redraw it. So in my attempt to redraw it, I went on to correct many mistakes that I did in terms of proportion. And this is the drawing I repeated in 2018. And I was like, yeah, there was some improvement, definitely. And still I thought this was the best thing since sliced bread. But I was wrong. And so, that said, late 2020, I decided to undertake this drawing again so that I can evaluate whether I've grown as an artist over the past 3 years. And so here I was trying to be as careful as possible to include more detail than I did before. And guess what? I think I had some improvement. So it's a good thing to always redraw your drawings, as it enables you to evaluate how much you have improved. And this is the drawing from 2020. Finally, at this moment, it looks awesome. It looks like the best thing since sliced bread. But will I think the same in 2024? Well, we will see about that.